Tell us your name and tell us about your project.
My name is Peter Higgs, and I theorized and wrote about the particle that would later be called the Higgs boson. I theorized and mathematically proved the existence of the boson in 1964.
What were you guys trying to do or find?
In the beginning, we were discussing and theorizing fundamental particles and gauge bosons and how they acted like force carriers. Later, we had written a few white papers between us and discussed vector bosons and how they can acquire mass at rest without explicitly breaking gauge invariance. And the byproduct, they could break spontaneous symmetry. The Large Hadron Collider was built outside of Geneva, Switzerland, specifically to either prove or disprove the existence of the then theorized particle. This project was the largest and most complex scientific instrument ever created.
Where did the project or experiment occur?
The experiment took place at CERN in Switzerland, and it was confirmed officially on March of 2013.
What other significant events were happening around the world at that time?
At that time, WikiLeaks began disclosing 5 million emails from a private intelligence company. Kim Jong-un was officially appointed leader of North Korea. Julian Assange was granted political asylum by Ecuador, and scientists detected evidence of light from the first stars in the galaxy created nearly 500 million years ago.
Who else was involved in the project?
Francois Engelbert, Robert Brout, Gerald Granulnik, Sir Thomas Kibble, Carl Hagen, and the staff at CERN's Hadron Collider.
What was your role in the project?
I was the only researcher within the group of physicists that addressed the existence of a massive scalar boson. The other merely implied its existence and didn't really discuss it. I wrote several commentaries and a paper on the existence of what would become the Higgs boson. I theorized and mathematically proved the existence. I had to wait many years for CERN to build their Large Hadron Collider to prove that it does physically exist.
What impact did your project have on the physics community?
The theory was proven. This proved another part of the standard model of particle physics. The discovery brought validation to the standard model through the mechanism of mass generation. In this model, the property of mass is a manifestation of potential energy, and as they interact with the Higgs field, which contain mass in the form of energy.
How has the discovery affected your life?
This discovery has proven my theories that I've written in the mid-60s and mathematically proven. This brought validation to my work. Of course, it brought accolades and awards for my work, but it's really my family that has brought me to the most satisfaction. I retired in 1996 and became Emeritus Professor at the University of Edinburgh.
Who else do you have on your list of people that you want to work with?
Dr. Sheldon Cooper. Bazinga!